Set 850, Forklift, was released in 1977, under a new series of sets that were called the Technical Set Series. These new sets used the traditional studied construction of other Lego sets, but now created a small number of new parts that could be used to reproduce realistic technical functions. These new parts consisted of gears and shafts, and new beams and special plates with holes to allow the installation of the shafts. This set, 850 Forklift, features rear wheel steering, as well as forks which raise and lower, both using a rack and pinion system. Traditional studded construction is mainly used with a couple of beams, used vertically and attached with pins. The rear wheels can be steered using a steering pulley large that drives an axle connected to a gear 24-tooth crown. This gear transforms the direction of movement 90 degrees and transfers it to the gear 24-tooth. On the same axis of this last gear, there is an 8-tooth gear which drives a steering rod made up of 2 racks. The steering mechanism itself uses 6 yellow turntable 2x2 with 2 pair, allowing rotation of the wheels about the vertical axis, and another pair acting as control arms attached to the rack gears. Simple axles allow the wheels to rotate freely. The forks are raised and lowered using other steering pulley large that drives an axle connected to a 8-tooth gear. This driver gear meshes with a 24-tooth driven gear, making a 3-to-1 gear ratio, where the smaller drive gear turns the large driven gear, resulting in reducing speed, but increased output force. This is called gearing down. The 24-tooth driven gear drives an axle connected to a pair of 8-tooth pinion gear, making a compound gearing. The 8-tooth pinion gears are connected with a pair of racks of 24-tooth spur gears that convert the rotary movement to linear motion, which lift the forks